Hey, are you tired of hiring an SEO experts or a team experts but does not get any good results for your niche? Well, what I'm about to tell you is something that can surely blow your mind and make you realize that you're missing your priorities. Stay tuned and learn for more business growth. Web traffics are very important, and each owner needs to maintain and increase it from time to time. Most of business owners, they hire SEO experts or a team of it to drive more traffics. But let's face the real struggle about it. We keep on hiring people just to drive more traffics, but still not getting the results we want. Let me tell you this, hiring an SEO expert is indeed a practical way to do. And it's very vital, most especially if you don't have technical ideas about it. Here's more to discuss about. Paid search engine marketing is also a wonderful way to increase your traffic. But the only thing that is not good about this idea is it is not permanent and can boost only upon the paid days you set. Paid ads are also important, most especially if you have events or special offer to do. But you must remember that it is only for boosting and can never be organic for future traffics. The first thing to do in order to organize your website is to work with on-page optimization. With great on-page settings means a better opportunity for people to visit your website. But wait, it is still not enough to secure your web traffic. If there's on-page, SEO experts will always do an off-page optimization. What about it? Well, they say that it will help to gain more traffic throughout our website, like link building, social media posting, microblogging, email marketing, Yahoo questions or Quora, and many more. Everything I mentioned is just a support to make sure that you can increase your web traffics. What I'm going to reveal to you is really important, so listen very carefully. But before that, you can comment down below if we have the same problem with the web traffics. This way, we can see if it really works. Well, here it is. The main truth is that you must write a very interesting topic on your page. Yes, you heard it right. To make sure that you can truly increase your web traffic is through text. You can forget all I have mentioned earlier and focus on writing interesting stuff relating to your niche. If your content is ready, then do the on-page optimization. For the first few months, you can't expect for your graph to grow high automatically. Well, if you have extra money to pay or to boost pages, then that would be better. That would be easier and faster for people to notice your content. But if not, then you must wait for it to grow. You can expect low statistics from your analytics. But this, I guarantee you, few months later, it will surely make your graph as high as mountains. Just don't forget, if you have that outstanding content, you still need to continue on-page and off-page optimization. If you know someone, or might be yourself, that can do vlogging, it would be a fantastic step to do. As we know, today, videos are more interactive. But you must make sure that you will have an interesting topic and compelling call to actions. Thank you for watching this video. If you need assistance to boost up your business, visit our website by clicking the link here. You can comment down below to request a video that you want us to cover, and we will do our very best to create that video for you. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more interesting videos from your caring VA for business growth. Are you an online dropshipping business owner? Check out this video to learn more on managing it successfully.